Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are getting this video from. I'm saying may God bless you, and we move. I welcome you all, goodwill of Biafra, good lovers of red Biafras. I welcome you all, goodwill of Igbos. I say welcome you everybody. This our topic today. I'm asking this question, the sabos in our mix. I'm asking them a question. What is happening now in the land? What is happening now in the land of Igbo, in the land of Biafra? What is happening now? They say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is their problem. They say that Mazi Simon Ekpa is their problem. But today, I want to ask the question, what is happening? What is going on now? They have taken Mazi Simon Ekpa out of the way. They have taken Mazi Simon Ekpa out of the way. They have taken Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out of the way. Look at what is happening in the Igbo land. Look at what is happening in Biafra land. Kidnapping everywhere. Kidnapping everywhere. Ali Igbo na bagaragara. Ali Igbo na apụ Ali Igbo na ọbara ejuna ani Igbo afọ. And everybody keep quiet. Onweghị na-ekwu okwu. Onweghị na-ekwuzi okwu. Ana m afụ one woman, one useless sabola maho her left from her right. Wait, guy, unu ke go this useless woman na-ekwu here. You know? Gegodu, because of our people, eburu zonye ọzọ na-aga odike ebu konko. Ka ị gegodu ife okwuru here. From there now we move. Just so come what she said here. That is why it needed our people. And these people, they will be claiming, oh, we are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we are following the footsteps of our leader. But you are following the footsteps of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He told you that anybody who can bring Biafra, that what he only needs is what we call freedom. Nothing more, nothing less. Coordinator in Finland. Look at Legodonya. We go to Kenya to this woman. Onyago. How much did they pay you? It's now around this kind of rubbish. Look at what is happening now in Igbo. Look at what's happening in Enugu State. How many people were kidnapped? Is Mazi Simon Ekpa there? It's out of the way. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there? It's out of the way. So, but what is happening now? That's my question. What is happening now? When you have taken these two great men out of the way, now Fulani herdsmen and their gang, Jagaban, now they are bringing heavy killers in your land. And Igbo must be defended. Igbo youth have to rise up and defend. Let's listen to this useless woman first. Let's listen to her and hear what she was saying. Just 1 minute. Let me bring that up video. Where is she? Okay, go on.
Sit at home in Enugu. So I would like to know what your immediate reaction would be to the arrest of Simon Ekpa.
I supported the arrest. I was crying and I was wailing.
Look at the woman.
The authority should
look at that useless woman.
Simon Ekpa. Because I made Simon.
How much did they pay this woman? How much did they pay this woman? Ego de Kenya one only Igbo. Only agoro.
From the angle of destruction.
Okay.
That was not what we were preaching for. We were just asking Nigerians to allow us be. We are here, for God has created us and placed us here in a land that is full flowing with milk and honey.
Okay.
And the enemies don't want us to stay.
Okay.
If my enemy wants me to die.
Okay, who is your enemy now? Shut up.
You supported the
Shut up. Who is her enemy now? Her enemy now abusing the people. Now fighting for her freedom. Can this woman do save? Due to Nebro Juniors on his Odiki Bukuko. Her enemy now abusing Master Simon Ekpa. Now fight there. Go want the freedom, you do free. Go live your life as a normal human because I live as an animal be more here. Go to see Bindo Kamonki, Lego di for Punishi, Lego to call the man of a very hungry woman. I go, okay, listen. Listen to another one. Only if you get here now. Wait.
to sit back home.
Get off there. Chere kunu kere ọkwa una kwe ọkun so afọ ebe ebube mmụọ nsọ.
The man that is telling you that there is security, have you ever seen the
Ọ na-lament.
Let him walk with our convoy and tell us that there is security. Then we shall believe. Who are they deceiving? Governor Uduna, Gopula Modo Tanka, said here. Tanka, everybody else say no, for not getting a Modo Tanka. Only Gokuno by. Imagine us, who is busy downloading vocabulary like a Mungo Park, are looking for someone to fight. You are saying you are media ras after a man of God for saying the truth. Tell me the offense of Father Monso. You are hard-handed.
Gente, ọ na-alamenti o. Ọ na-alamenti maka na ịma these people are people ndị against our leader Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu. These people are the people in the initial time up till now they are the people who o nwere ka esi eme ndị o nwere ka esi eme now even na-emezi now o metụtane na akwefu na ọ kpapụta na ihe otu wene mkpu here on a teasing because of that thing now he have reached his family or his friend, his closest somebody that is very close to him. If I think we since come together, let's do this once and for all. Let's free you the land of free Igbo land, free you Biafra land. These people are job. Now the thing they make today, like this woman now not here now ranting rubbish. Sitting there, Simon Ekpa, coordinator in the Finland. On what? What you cannot do. Somebody else take the position to do what you cannot do. And you go to the Ndị Igbo, emeduru n'ife eme. Nna so ye meru n'ife, ambro ogwu ti yerene. Ani Igbo, Enugu State, if how many people are kidnapped in Enugu State? Over 30 people. 30 something people get kidnapped in Enugu State. The same thing, hope so them manana Imo State, all landed matter there. Alimo na Obara. Imo State, Mando only check ma Fulani has only check ranching now. Ndi for your governor. Even now, but the youth abroad, no, it's not. One them mother can get na abroad, abroad the same. Now you all your plan need is stand up. When they defend all your village, defend all your community. Nature these people. Hey, these people get finish everybody because of nothing more, nothing less. Freemason and the Kano, Freemason Ekpa, sitting up and down with their problem up there. Now these people is no more on their way. Guinea amazing now. What is happening? Get solution. No solution. Hey, what are the any solution? If you did Bohanaba, all the Hanaka, Martin and the Kano, but I say that anytime you see your own person, only you will name Mayfair, go out on Naka. If your brother may embrace, if your name, in our time, because of other people cannot do all these things. Other people only behave, woman, and that. Like this useless woman, other people in the other tribe, give as important to have a popular source, no, a mobile homo. Mobile homo got boys or one who's on yours. That's all. As but I don't have anything to tell you yet. All the members on your son is on the cable, but more to tell you now, Kika Martin or cable. I'll be a strong message. We only want this woman, never put on rant this rubbish. Not making sure that this message will be aka. Not be very useless woman. Oma ni wile wende omakwa like omakwa ndo atunyegro nicha ije nworo nwa omakwa ndo atunyegro de obere ụmụaka nwụọna maka ije nworo nwa nne anwụọna maka ije nworo nwa nna anwụọna maka ije nworo nwa ụmụnne anwụọna maka ije nworo nwa ụmụ okorobịa agwụna maka ije nworo nwa guy wey the god ịpụta na station na akọ bullshit ọ kara gị mma stop ịpụta na internet na akọ nonsense because you wey dey wey people stop that nonsense ọ ka mma na ị gara na your place happen na ịnụ ọna di nwanne ya nwa onye na-alụ this woman she carry this woman and dobekwe n'ime ụlọ kwuchie ya ọnụ na ọma ife ọ na-akọ ego dị ka akwụrụ gị. Nna, thank you from this place, Biko. Nna, this woman, thank you, everybody. No? Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I say, God bless you. Anywhere you are receiving this video from, I say, may God bless you. May God bless you from me, from here. Please, many of you people watch our video. It doesn't subscribe. It doesn't comment. You know, it's not helping the channel. So for you to be able to help our channel, go to our comment section, comment, like the video, drop your opinion so that we will reach this video will be able to reach other people and reach this year free for governors. You know, please, as you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Subscribe to all our channel USB Gospel. Subscribe to all our channel in USB Gospel. So every day we'll be bringing new latest videos. We'll be bringing more updates of videos that we have, so that you people will be dropping comment and like the video. Thank you, and from me from here is good evening.